Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable read caller names aloud on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open settings, then go to accessibility. From here, just tap on interaction and dexterity. And from here, just tap on answering and ending calls. Now to enable read caller name aloud, just enable this toggle. And once you enable this toggle, you will enable read caller names aloud. Now if you tap on read caller names aloud, you can select when to enable this feature. You can use it only over Bluetooth and headphones, or you can select always and you will enable read caller names aloud always. And if you enable this feature, it will read the caller name twice. And this is how you can enable read caller names aloud on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.